Hi guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a Toro hydraulic aerator. This is a 2013. I have two of these. These units were both brand new units out of the dealer's inventory, aged inventory that got weathered. They were used as demos. The reason I'm making this video is last week we had a guy get all mad at us because they'd have to be repainted and all that. Yeah, I get that. But it was $5,700. I'm asking $1,950 a piece. I'm being very fair. These units have no runtime on them at all. This unit had gas in it. They must have run it out. The carburetor is perfectly clean. It runs excellent. The other unit, they must have left gas in. We put a brand new carburetor on it from Kawasaki. Their Kawasaki engine. This unit runs excellent. We're going to show you here in a second. I'll pick the front of it up for the cores. You can see the cores. The same gentleman even commented, "Oh, the core plugger feet are rusty. I'd have to replace them." I have to laugh. I mean, in about 30 seconds it'll be shined up here because I'm going to run it here in the dirt, so keep that in mind. So we're going to go ahead and fire this thing up. We're going to run it and show you what everything's supposed to do. Here we go. There you see it, fellas. It shuts off the way it's supposed to, and starts the way it's supposed to. Now, you can also see right here, there's your core plugs. Unit works the way it's supposed to. I have two for sale. They do have folding handles. We can ship these very easily. Let us know what you might need. 814-658-3066. As always, thanks for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.